Let's see. On the side, we have some interesting things here. We've got the HDMI port, which I need for the Raspberry Pi unit. There's a USB and a card reader. So, I don't know. If you push this, it opens the CD. I think that's where you place in the CD. And it's been screwed together so that things don't move right now just by moving it with my hand. So, I'll most likely not do that until I've read the instructions carefully and figure out what's going on with that. But it looks pretty nice. So there we are. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing, and hopefully, if it works the way that I want it to, we'll be able to do some fun stuff together. So anyway, thanks for joining me on this little adventure, and I wish you all a happy weekend. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.